Okay, so I've stopped down this tree huddled road. This is my normal headlights, and as you can see I can't see too far. You know, it's standard headlights. This is my old floodlights, so they're the ones on top of the roof, and as you can see there's a good amount of light spread around, but it doesn't go too far. And this is the Terrafirma TF707s. Now Terrafirma have very kindly sent me a set of these TF707 spotlights to go on my Land Rover here. If you're used to my channel and you watch it, you'll know we always go to the Arctic every winter, and lighting up there is very important. Daylight hours are short, we do a lot of driving in the dark and a lot of driving, most crucially, in the snow and when snow's falling on you. So we'll get these spotlights fitted to the truck and we'll see how it performs when we're up in the Arctic. The best thing about these valve is that they've got a proper gland where the cable comes out, whereas a lot of lights like my old ones there's just a flimsy bit of rubber that the cable pushes through, so you're not 100% about the sealing of it. But these do look like they are fully sealed, and they're very heavy units as well, and as we all know, heaviness is a sign of quality. So we'll get these mounted on here, and then we can connect the wiring pack that comes with it through into the cab. Let's get these bolted on, have a look what's going on. Oh, the mounting kit comes with rubbers, and it comes with rubbers. It comes with a gasket, and it comes with little Allen keys as well. Which means I don't have to search around for the right size Allen key. Right, now, next thing, most important, move that before it blows over. Those blue bezels, we'll change them for the orange to go with the car. Although, the blue does look quite nice, doesn't it? What's the red look like? No, definitely not the red. Blue is like a nice little touch to the car, but then orange is the car. Oranges. Do you know what? I'm going to put out to a vote. Say whether you want the orange ones or the blue ones, and they're the ones I'll go with. The one with the most votes, I'll stick with that. This is going to be fun because everybody's going to vote the colour that I don't want. Right, that's the orange done. It does look neat with the orange. Very neat. So, if you think I should put the red or the blue on, give me a shout, let me know in the comments. And if I get enough of them, I will change it. Right, wiring. This is the wiring kit that you get with it. It's a full wiring kit, so it comes with a switch, fuse, relay, battery terminals, and the spotlight terminals as well, which is great because that means I don't have to start crimping wire together and sealing it and it looking a mess and XYZ. It's a full kit, which is absolutely brilliant. That's them all wired up, so I fed the wire behind the radiator grill here, down, set on top of the chassis rail. I've got swivel wires going there as well. Goes up into the battery box, and then the switch comes out the battery box into the cab under the carpet and up onto the dashboard. So let's turn it on for the first time, see what it looks like. Right, that's the lights all done. Now obviously you won't get the full effect until it's dark, and that's not going to happen until this guy disappears below the horizon in a couple of hours, but you'll see that in a minute. Okay, so I've stopped down this tree huddled road. This is my normal headlights, and as you can see I can't see too far. You know, it's standard headlights. This is my old floodlights, so they're the ones on top of the roof, and as you can see there's a good amount of light spread around, but it doesn't go too far. And this is the Terrafirma TF707s. Look at that for an amount of light output. That is absolutely insane. These are brilliant. These lights are absolutely brilliant. I've never been so impressed by a product before. Like, definitely, these are going to be great in the Arctic. I can't wait to get up there and try them. So, thanks for watching, and hopefully the next time I talk about these spotlights will be up in the Arctic. I'll see you then. Goodbye.